Hi Renee, I'm so glad to be talking to you today on this episode of Ketchup Talks, and so excited to ask you about your short film and the Bandra Film Festival. So, firstly, just tell me how you're doing. How's everything this year with you?
Thank you for the lovely introduction. This year has been very blessed for all of us because, keeping in mind the situation, touch wood, we're really lucky.
That's true.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you. I hope everything's well with you.
So, Renee, to begin with the questions, I'd just like to ask you, how did Suttabaazi happen? How did you being a part of it happen? If you can tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, of course. So, I messaged Kabir congratulating him about his previous film, Hangout.
Yeah.
And we were in the same school. So it was like, an old friendship that, we kindled. And then he told me that, he's a director now and he asked me what I would like to do career wise. So I told him that, I'm looking to be an actor
Yeah.
and currently I'm working on myself. So one fine day he sent me a script and when I read it, I really liked it.
Yeah.
And I have this habit where if I watch a movie or read a book,
Mhm.
I imagine myself.
Yeah.
When I read it, I was like, I could imagine myself doing it,
Hmm.
and it was so beautifully written. So I was just thrilled. But the catch of the situation is that I didn't know it was for me.
Oh.
I thought he was sending it to me so that I can read it and give my opinion.
Hmm. Yeah.
So he's like, I want you to feature in it. First, I thought he's crazy because I've not had formal training,
Correct.
and doing a film is with someone new is a risk,
Hmm.
because obviously it involves business aspects as well. I
Yeah.
understand. So to be so, what's the word? To have so much faith in me
Hmm.
and was really, really special.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy it happened.
And I watched it and I loved it too. I love how it's not so a lot of the times though when you watch something you feel like you're out of the screen and it's playing. But sometimes you feel like you're there in that situation. And that's how I felt with this. So like I was a part of these conversations that were happening, so which is
Thank
great.
you. Because that was the whole idea,
Yeah.
when Komal ma'am, Rahul sir, and my character, all three of us are fighting outside.
Yeah.
You know,
True.
we want we wanted to make it as fun and quick and as spontaneous as possible.
And it was.
So
It's come out
thank
really
you. And a lot of the credit, actually almost all the credit, goes to Komal ma'am, Rahul sir, and my acting teacher, Pratik Kodhari sir, who sat with us, you know.
well.
And even when he was not there, I would sit with them. And I call them mom and pops even today. That's the relationship we
Yeah.
have because it just wasn't for those 8 hours or 12 hours of shoot. It just,
Correct.
you know, it was so real that whatever we felt translated on screen.
On the screen.
So I'm very lucky.
And what about your family, your mom? How was their reaction? Especially like with the smoking bits. Was there any hesitation anywhere with that?
I was expecting it, but no.
Oh
Okay.
wow, that's great.
Yeah, because my mom is also part. My
Hmm.
mom is also an actor, so
Correct.
she understands that it's only a character you're playing.
Hmm.
So when I went to her with the script, I was nervous that like I have to smoke on screen.
Yeah,
So she's like, no, if it feels right by you, then go ahead and do it.
which is great.
So yeah, my mom's always been very supportive.
Yeah.
But Alisa and Roman uncle and mom, all of them were really, really happy. My grandparents, my
Yeah.
friends, everyone. Alia, my sister in the US, my Masi, everyone is just so happy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm very very happy.
Okay. But Renee, it's a cliche, but I have to ask. You have connections in Bollywood. Your mom's an actor, so why wouldn't you wait for a glitzy, glam Bollywood debut like most people do? Was there something? Is that this a conscious decision to do it a different way, or it just happened?
It actually just happened.
Okay.
The thing is, it's one thing to want to become an actor. It's another thing to actually become.
Correct.
So, and I was not actively a part of the industry. I'm still not. I'm still learning.
Yeah.
But, to be on a set, to work a certain way, I'm still working on myself. So, because I did Suttabaazi, it reinstated my faith in my dream. Okay, this is what I want to do. And a big launch, a big banner film, all of that will happen.
Okay.
But I feel like it takes a lot of work and a lot of preparation. So I'm still working on that. Hopefully, touch wood, it happens
soon. Can't wait to watch. After Suttabaazi, though, I definitely can't wait. So, can you tell me how you feel about Suttabaazi being a part of the Bandra Film Festival now? It received love when it came out, but now it's also a part of this festival. Anything about that you'd like to share?
When your work gets recognized and loved and appreciated, not only, on one platform, but people and film festivals, they want to show your film, like the Bandra Film Festival, it means that you're doing something right,
Yeah.
And the Bandra Film Festival has shown some really amazing films. So I'm just happy that work and content is getting recognized,
Yeah.
I don't think platform is a barrier.
Who
would have thought that 5 years ago OTT would be so big now?
That's true. Yeah.
So I feel like any platform where good work and good art is recognized, I'm really happy. I'm so happy that our film is part of the Bandra Film Festival.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, how do you feel about, because the short film was on YouTube and stuff? How do you think these platforms, that give new artists the freedom to put out their content, how do you think they're contributing to new artists or new creators in that sense?
It's There's so much of talent in every field, but we only know a certain number of people that are recognized.
Correct.
Because of maybe limited opportunity or for different reasons. I would not want to get into that, but I feel like with different platforms coming, people have access to different kinds of content.
True.
And content of their choice.
Yeah.
So it's really important. Like YouTube audience may be different. OTT audience is different. Film audience is different.
Correct.
Sometimes OTT and films have the same audience. All of this is still new to me. I'm being very honest. I'm still understanding and learning.
Yeah.
But as a viewer, I think it's opened a lot of doors for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So I'm just happy that everyone can now get a chance to show their craft.
And we've got such amazing talent, coming forward. Just in the last 2 years, when we've been stuck at home, people have just blossomed on OTT or like on YouTube and stuff. It's great to see as a viewer, such great content. So
because no matter what, I honestly feel that good work will get its recognition. It doesn't matter what platform you're on.
I agree. And
that's
that's true. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing next? What can we expect? Drama Yama, I think it's.
Yeah. So right now, I'm not going to be talking much about it because
all right.
or the post
Hmm.
production. But I'm very very excited for it.
Yeah.
Side by side, I'm also, like I said, working on myself.
Hmm.
So I hope that um, I do a film,
Yeah.
full-fledged film very soon, or maybe a web series. I am very open to opportunities now. As
Hmm.
long as it's a good story and I have a good character, I'm more than happy.
Do you want to work in a movie with Sushmita ma'am? Do you want to do that? Or
I would love to, because
yeah.
so for me, when I watched any of mom's work before Arya,
Hmm.
I used to be like, she's done well, she's my mom, and I will always love the work she does. But honestly, after Arya, I became a fan, you
Hmm.
know, and I feel like the character and the way she portrayed it,
Hmm.
wow.
I agree because I know we're short on time, but I just want to say this.
No,
Growing up, when we watched her films, huge fan. But that was a different time. The scripts were different. The female characters were not given so much substance, and yet Sushmita ma'am found her ground, in those characters. But with Arya, watching her just like own it, take the script and just own it. That was really amazing. So I think I get what
yeah,
you're
like a
saying.
lot of the characters, like I think Filhal,
Hmm.
Kamen, like they were ahead of their time.
True, true.
If you watch it today, then it makes sense.
Yeah.
Like stories like that.
Hmm.
But yeah, I would love to. But first, I need to get there,
Yeah.
my acting, so that
Yeah, we're sure you will soon, and can't wait to watch all the work that you put out and you're going to be a part of. Thank you so much, Renee, for doing this.
Thank you for having me.
Really nice talking to you.
Same here.
Bye
Bye.
bye.